Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to take a look at the Backyard Expressions 2-person hammock with a 250-pound weight limit. It's perfect for me. Backyard Expressions, patio, home, or garden. Let's see what we got. Assembly instructions. So not very many pieces. We got 5 bolts, 2 hooks, 2 washers, 2 wing nuts. We got both ends of the base. Got a crossbar and 2 frame bars. The actual hammock itself and a carrying bag. Alright, 4:46 p.m. See how long it takes. About 3 minutes to get the frame set up. 4 bolts. The 5th bolt goes right here in the middle. Guess that's more or less just for the stand. It doesn't connect to anything. 10 after. Got the hook, that on the top, washer, and the wing nuts. Same thing over there. 5:11. So 4 minutes to put it together.
That's how you get in one anyway.
What do you like?
Looks good.
Alright. Sturdy. Sit in like this if I want to. And taking it down, it's 5:16. All done. 5:21. So 5 minutes to set it up, 5 minutes to take it down. Thanks for watching. Down below there's a link where to purchase this hammock. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this video. Until next time, have a great day.